And then I realized when I started teaching that we are not on the same boat. Ang gusto ko kasi talaga is mas makatulong sa mas maraming student kasi through education, ako magbabago talaga 360 yung life ng isang student. It started when Dan, the previous program head of BS Accountancy, messaged me if I wanted a teaching career, part-time lang, noong 2018. Yeah, I don't have a job because I was having a break sa career for a year. And then, yeah, I accepted the job offer ng UB since I really wanted to teach. So it started during the pandemic. Everyone was caught off guard nung nag-start yung lockdown because apparently we all thought 2 weeks lang yung magiging lockdown. So a lot of people, even students, were quite happy about that 2-week break. Apparently, not everyone kasi is lucky enough to have a better life and mayroon silang automatic like Wi-Fi or access on the internet when it comes to their requirements for online learning. But there are students na walang ganung klaseng capacity for online learning. So one of my students messaged me if kung pwedeng i-extend or hindi siya makakapag-take ng midterm exam. I remember that was April 2020. I was moved by it. Ang sabi daw niya is ipapakain na lang yung savings instead of pang-load for school requirements. So what I did, I messaged her back and then I told her not to worry about her load for the rest of the semester until June. I'm going to sponsor 100 peso load para siya ay makapag-comply with her school requirements. So I also asked her if there are students then na having the same dilemma. Apparently, I was able to gather like 12 to 15 students during that time na having the same struggle. Mostly are student assistants or working students sa mga fast food restaurant. So, ayun. Then after that sa semester, apparently we have to do everything talaga online noong August 2020 school year. So, I tried reaching out to a lot of my friends para I can help more people. Or more students. So it reached out to a lot of my friends abroad. So a lot of donations from my friends ay dumating. Ayun, it started there. For that academic year, I was able to help around 150 students. I was able to gather over 200,000 of donations from here and abroad. So I'm planning to continue this program as long as I'm teaching and to help more students in paying their tuition fee kahit kaunti part lamang. So impact of this is I have students na hindi ko naman tinulungan on those two projects, pero on their first salary naisip nila, sir, ito po kagagraduate ko po, hindi po ako beneficiary of this project, pero ito po yung part of my salary, this is just 1,000 pesos, sana po makatulong. So, yun yung gusto ko ma-impart with my students, that there are a lot of ways on helping other people. I grew up kasi na I don't struggle much with paying off my fees. And then I realized when I started teaching that we are not on the same boat. Ang gusto ko kasi talaga is mas makatulong sa mas maraming student kasi through education, magbabago talaga 360 yung life ng isang student. They will have a better career, better opportunity, better future for them. And it's only through education. We don't just teach the subjects na inassign siguro sa atin. We also have to relate those subjects in real life. And then also, we have to talk to our students if ano pa yung mga kailangan nila beyond the four corners of the classroom. Minsan kasi, if you talk to them and if you, kausapin mo sila ng maigi, mas makikita mo ano yung nagiging problem, ano yung maging struggles nila. For a teacher, we are not just here to teach them theoretical things about program, but also about life. May mai-impart at may mai-impart tayo somehow. Magkakaiba yung tao. May mga tao na not really well-off. May mga taong well-off sa buhay. So you just have, as a teacher, kailangan mo mag-adjust with different types of students. If you are a teacher, hindi lang ikaw ang magtuturo sa students, pero at some point, students will also teach you something sa buhay. I am Noel Sales, a proud educator.